Well, I'm pretty excited. This just came in. This is one of the first, probably in the US, of the Bobil Vans smart controller. So I ordered this thing right as they announced it because I wanted to be able to upgrade my system for the Bobil Vans heater. Now, initially, you're probably like, well, what's it need a smart controller for? Well, let me show you what it is. So, got a few things with it. Little network cable, so obviously important. The instructions, the user guide, so over there. Now, this, let's see what this first piece is. So this should be, so this is my diverter valve, but we had one of these already that was manual. We had a little cord, we pulled it, it would move it. Now this has this module here. This plugs in and will automatically move this for us depending on whether I want the heat coming out this side or coming out here, depending on what it is. I still have the other half that's going to go on here. But whether it goes into the cabin or into the heat exchanger for the hot water. So let's put that one away for now. Don't want it to get messed up, I'll set it to the side. That's some more. So these here are actually sensors, I believe, for on the tank, because this actually comes with tank sensors as well. So you notice there's the new controller with all the management side of it. So curious to see once I get that all plugged in and ready to go. Get back in the bag again, protected a little bit. What we got here, let's see. Oh, we got looks like a project box, but not sure what that's for quite yet. Actually, the others were actually temperature sensors. I had that wrong. This is actually a float sensor for in the tank. So this will go into the top of my warm water tank. So I've got a nice sensor for my fresh water tank. And then they always send some little candies. That's always nice. We got some more, looks like another sensor, some more adapters, and then this one looks like maybe another valve to tell you maybe this might be for gray water to say it's full kind of thing, or where we're at. So we'll see. I got to obviously look through the instructions and go through everything to figure out exactly how this thing installs. But I'm super excited because what this will allow me to do is get rid of any of the manual process that I had for switching to heater, switching to into the cabin, and then it's got the upgrade to the smart controller for the water heater as well. So should give us a lot of options here. So internal temperature, showing the air outside. External temperature, what I want to do. Obviously, I've got the water heating and then timers for that. So a lot of great options. I'm really looking forward to it. So hopefully this thing works out. Hopefully I'll be able to get a video once I get the plumbing set up. I'm still working on the trailer. I think a lot of y'all know I got a little delayed, took a new job, and have really been delayed. But it's coming along. I got some roof structure done, and I should have a new video coming out here shortly. Once I maybe get the roof put together. I'm hoping maybe this weekend I can work on it. So thanks all, and see you soon.